first draft of a zine I have coming out, but yeah, stay tuned for more on this. And while I now may or may not have your attention, I don't normally do this, but if I could have 30 seconds of your ear, and it's just basically this. If for any reason during this video you don't like the sound of my voice, you don't like how I look, or you don't like the videos themselves, before you click off, could you do me a massive favour and just hit the mute button? Go off and make a cup of tea, use the facilities, whatever you need to do. Just let the video play out to its conclusion for me, because that's what I need to grow. And yes, it's selfish reasons I'm asking you to do this, but I really want this to work, so I'd appreciate it. On with the video. What's up folks, how's it going? Just out on a stroll here in LIC today. I'm currently in a bit of a warehousey area. You might say somewhat derelict. I don't know if it's that, but it's definitely warehouses and a bit unkept. But we got total cloud cover today, but it is still kind of bright, which is good. So I think today I'm just going to focus on abstract, black and whites, and yeah, should be good. I've no real intentions. I am going over to head towards a place called Culture Lab, and every weekend they do like events and stuff, music, food vendors, that kind of thing. So I might go over there and play around with the 75mm and see if I can get some peoples. I just wanted to make a point really quick about my last video, if anyone saw it or didn't see it. It's where I was talking about alleviating the stresses in photography, and I kind of messed up on one of my own points about being ready. I inadvertently put the camera into 16:9 crop and I forgot to change it, so half my photos from that video were shot at 16:9, so just goes to show we preach, but we don't always practice. Alright, I'm gonna continue around and see what we can see. I just stumbled across this, thought it was pretty ironic. The taxi all smashed up and the sign overhead saying drivers wanted. I found it amusing, but here's the shot. So I saw this little reflection scene here. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, but maybe a bit too busy. I've taken a few snaps already, so let's see what happens. Try to frame it up with the door or the window, obviously, and I like the light on the floor, and then the light coming through on the top with the steel work. So yeah, it'll be cropped in more than this though, but just so you guys can see what I was looking at. Kind of, I'll get someone between the door frame in the middle, and then that green steel beam that goes up to the overpass, if that makes sense. But yeah. So I just found this little composition. We have the water tower, we have the lines coming this way and this way, we have the top of the building, and I tried to intersect the top of the building with the intersection of the cables and stuff. I like that we have the three birds on the top wire of the line. Might be way too messy, but that's what we're looking at. So we have the possibility of cloud. The camera running back. There's a bunch of cloud over this side. It looks like it's coming over this way. So I'm going to sit, chill, and hope that it happens. Keeping all the fingers crossed. Well, I'm sure I got plenty, so I know I'll be happy with some of them, so yeah, I think that's the longest I've ever waited in one spot to take a photograph. Alright folks, sorry I'm just laughing because I just shot the intro to this after I got back from being out and about today, and now I just wanted to shoot a little outro and say I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you're still here, thank you so much, really appreciate it. I didn't get really any shots after the water tower today. When I was over in Culture Lab, there wasn't really a whole lot going on. There was the vendors were there selling their stuff, but I thought maybe there's going to be like normal, like, you know, DJ and food and people dancing and stuff, but anyhow, I'm over explaining. So yeah, so that's it really. I did take a few more shots when I was over there, so just to finish out the video, I'll stick them up on screen, and thanks for watching. See you later.